These are Dynamite Shrimp. They're a total crowd pleaser that come together in under an hour with a crunchy, sweet, spicy, tangy taste that's incredibly addictive.
Wow.
And I'm going to show you how I make my take on them. So let's get started. First, for the marinade, crack open 3 eggs and pour only the whites into a bowl. Then peel 6 to 8 garlic cloves, and this is optional, but if you like citrusy aromas, then roughly chop 1 lemongrass stalk. I'd use 2 in hindsight actually, one simply wasn't enough. And then add to a blender and mince. Add these to the egg whites with a teaspoon of salt and mix. Then throw in 1 kilo of shrimp and mix everything to coat them evenly. Next, for the dredging mix. Combine 120 grams of corn flour, 60 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and 2 tablespoons of onion powder into a bowl. Stir until completely mixed. And now for the sauce. In a bowl, mix 150 grams of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of honey, have a taste and add a 3rd tablespoon if you prefer it a bit sweeter. Then add 3 tablespoons of sriracha and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now dredge the marinated shrimp in the flour mix, pressing lightly to coat them thoroughly. Then heat a pot of oil over medium to high heat and fry the shrimp in batches for 60 to 90 seconds. Try not to overcook these so the texture doesn't become hard and rubbery. Once cooked, add the sauce to the shrimp and toss until everything is coated. For serving, arrange 3 lettuce leaves on a plate and then add the shrimp on top. Squeeze about half a lemon over them and then sprinkle them with sesame seeds and finally some finely sliced spring onions or chives. And there you have it, crispy fried shrimp with an addictive sweet spicy sauce, tender and juicy inside, shatteringly crunchy outside, with that perfect balance of heat, tang and subtle herbal notes that keep you coming back for more.
Wow.
If you like this video, please feel free to give it a like and a subscribe. It really helps to get the recipe out to the people that need to see it. And if you give this a try or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I read all of them and I'll get back to you if needs be. As always, there'll be more culinary adventures to come, but until then, I'll see you in the next video.